All right, so we're going to take a look at the wide leg Jefferson curl. It's very similar to the Jefferson curl, but with a few different changes. You're going to set up 2 boxes at the same height. You want to make sure that they don't slip, because when you go into the splits, they're going to maybe push out. I've got 2 kettlebells on either side, so if you're doing it on a slippery surface, make sure you've got that, safety. Or you can put it on the soft rubber matting and they shouldn't slip on that surface. So you've got 2 boxes set up. When I move from Jefferson curl to this wide-legged variation, Jefferson curl is when the legs are together, just like this, and this is going to be quite wide. We're going to be feeling a stretch in our adductors. I go a little bit lighter. So if you're lifting, say, 20 kilos with the Jefferson curl, just halve the weight, or maybe even less. I've got 8 kilos here, and just build this up nice and slowly and see how your body responds, and then progress the range and the weight over time. So I've got my boxes set up. I'm going to, I'll just show you from a couple of different angles as well. I'm basically going to set up in a really wide position, and this exercise is really good for people that are working on their pancake. It's a really good entry-level movement for the pancake because we're working on this position here, being able to fold ourselves in half in this wide-legged position, simulating that pancake. So we're going to come up, we're going to grab our weight, we're going to go nice and wide. So wide enough that you start to feel a little stretch through the insides of your legs, like through your adductors. Standing nice and tall. Flex the quads, so you want to have nice straight legs. Your feet can either face forward or slightly turned out. This is fine. From here, stand tall, just like the Jefferson curl. And then we drop our head and we peel the spine all the way down as low as we can. This is a little bit too low for me, these boxes. Get a good stretch and come back up. So you can either do reps or you can hang out down the bottom and just get really comfortable in this position. So breathing, relaxing, trying to stretch out in this position here, getting comfortable, trying to allow the weight to pull you deeper into that range.